Welcome, welcome to the live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, a trading coach. Guys, first day of trading week. Welcome to this live session. Now, before I begin the live session, I would like to mention you that you might experience a little bit of buffering for this live, particularly only today, because there is a little bit of outage in my area for the internet, and because of that I had a little bit of slow move, and hope that that's gonna be well very soon, expecting due to the internet connection that I have in my so there might be a little bit of buffering, so I would appreciate if you just understand it. So first day of trading week, we can see that there is a significant movement in majority of the instrument, and we'll be waiting for some more setup. A big day we have started in our trade, and for those who are in the community, you know that we had a massive winning day in our trade, and we're waiting for another massive day. Still ahead, a big session coming, London session, New York session, and we are expecting a big move on all the instrument. We can see that gold had a big move early today, including GJ is trending very nicely, expecting to give us another opportunity. Already we are running a massive trade on Gbpusd from past week, as well as we have a massive trade early today, this week also. So let's look at all of them, and also many of the members in this community definitely also running Gbpusd trade from the past week. Now, I would appreciate if you let me know if the stream looks a bit okay, or the stream's current bit rate, this is lower than the recommended bit. We recommend that you use a stream bit rate of 13,500 kbps. So, okay, I see that there is a little bit of buffering going on. So probably you might see a little bit of buffering, and I only need to apologize for it. It's only for today, will be fixed by today, so you should be able to see very soon everything is fixed, and you can see a bit clearly for this session. And I hope that you still can be able to enjoy this live session. So let me know, guys, how are you doing? Tugon, welcome. Joseph, I'm live. Good morning, good morning. Hello, good morning, good morning. All right, noted. Thank you very much. Your USD. Good morning. Yeah. Good job, guys. We had a big day ahead as well. We can see that gold and GJ nicely trending. Gold had a big move early with the. This is the move early with the Asian session, and then with this drop, basically the market has grabbed massive liquidity, and we have secured an unbelievably big trade on gold and Gbpusd, and I'm sure that many of you are already on the trade. So now let's look at what is our next opportunity in the market based on this. Let me see one by one to see the best trade possible in the market. Let's look at first of all gold, but I would like to see that everyone can hear me and see me. Hello, coach. Think you are very much appreciated. Thank you very much, Patrick. Good morning, fella. Can anybody let me know that you can see and hear me properly without much difficulty in terms of buffering? I'm waiting for a replay. Welcome. I'm waiting for a replay that you guys can hear me and see me without much buffering, or you are experiencing much buffering. And then I'll be starting the analysis for the day. Well, everything is good. You are clear. Thank you very much. All is okay. Yes, sir, we can hear you. Thank you for confirming. Yes, that's look good. Good to hear that. You're loud and clear. Thank you. Welcome. That's good. That's good, guys. Well done. All right. So, okay, let's begin with GBP This market now trending very nicely, and in this trending market, let's see where is our next opportunity on GBP Now, let me know first of all, guys, are you holding the trade, the massive one that we opened in our previous live session? Are you guys holding the trade? Are you guys holding the trade? I'm holding. Let me know if you are holding the trade in our previous live session that we have opened on GJ. Yes, are you holding? Thank you. Awesome. Now, let's look at all the trade. First of all, the one that we are still running in our previous live session, that is from Friday, NFP trade that we have opened here. Now you can see that, guys, this is the real trading that you will be learning. And if you look at our also previous weekly Forex forecast, exactly where we have discussed, GJ has bounced from that level in the previous weekly Forex forecast. If you look at here, what you can see that the market did exactly as expected and then has got a bounce to the upside. We have seen that in the previous weekly Forex forecast. If you have seen that. Now let's see what did I looked at in that weekly Forex forecast. Now what kind of opportunity we have in the market at the moment to trade, and then also I will be discussing what trade now we can open in the upcoming session and this session. So don't miss out any piece of this live session. Don't miss out any piece of this live session. If you are experiencing a little bit of buffering, then being patient, you will be able to see everything very soon, very clearly. All right, so first of all, let's see, let's go back to the past. Okay, you know that you can go back to the past, which is very easily going to the replay. Okay, so this is the candle that I have opened in our previous live session in NFP trade. Now what did I looked at in this candle? That's what we more often discuss in our regular classes. Now you can see that this is where the market has bounced from that level, and the trade is almost currently running in almost 80 pip up, 80 pip running profit, expecting it to bounce and then to fill that the rest of the imbalance in the market, and then to clear that gap, fill that week, and then to give us that potential entry opportunity on GBPJPY. Now what did I looked at in that trade on GJ? Now if you closely look at what you can see, that this market is in an uptrending market structure, right? There are three secrets in the market that if you want to decode the market, if you want to know, if you want to trade like a pro, like a professional trader, you need to decode three secrets in the market. You know, there is secret in everywhere. There is secret in this universe that decoded by only few individuals. For example, Nikola Tesla. He decoded the secret of this universe, and that's why he said that if you want to decode the secret of the universe, then you must think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. If you want to decode the secret of self or the human being, think in terms of emotion, thinking, and action. If you want to decode the secret of the market, then think in terms of market structure, liquidity, and price action. And these are the three fundamental building blocks of a market that I am trading every single day. Not only me, every profitable trader who don't reveal their secret, they trade based on these three important building block of the market. Now, if you are in the same boat to becoming a consistently profitable trader, then there is no other alternative but looking at the market from this lens of the market structure, liquidity and price action. Now, for those who joined our Zoom class yesterday, I'm trying to grind blind everything and feed it to you guys and girls every single day. Now, yesterday also I have conducted an extended Zoom session in Forex Trading Wizard Academy to blend, to grind and to feed you. What do I mean by this market structure, liquidity and price action? The only thing that you need to make sure that you are open and receptive to this. Now you can see that you might say, okay, how do I know that it works? Proof is there. This is the live trade. Let's look at the next one. In last 2 trading days, we gained more than 10% trading in this market, and it's proven. And let me show you the trade that I have posted today on GJ as well as on gold, so that you guys know that exactly what we are talking about is where you can learn real trading stuff. Now look at this one here. This is our VIP trade that I have posted in the community in the VIP Telegram channel. This is, you can see Gbpusd 5 minutes. This is the signal that I have posted with entry 191.44. I got a bit better entry also. 191.36 is the stop loss. Only how many pip? 8 pip stop loss, okay, in this trade. And TP target at 191.59. Exactly, I send this where the trade with entry, stop loss and take profit. As soon as I have sent the trade, if you look at this market from here, what you can see, go to the 15 minutes on GJ. This is the 5 minutes trade, and you can see that from that level, this is the trade that I have posted in the channel. This is the second trade. The first one is still running from the live session. This is today's trade. As soon as the market open, I will be explaining now why I have sent the trade, so that you guys also can learn and grow as a trader. Now you can see this is exactly the same signal that I have posted in the community. You can see it's a massive one, okay, only 8 pip stop loss, and this is where the market has moved exactly to hit the directly the TP target in just less than an hour, giving us that huge profitable trade. And once the market hit that profit target, how did it look like in opening the trade? It looked like that. You can see we gained 3% on this trade on Gbpusd. You can see this is the entry price, and just after drop a little bit, it boom has gone back up. And how many candles it took? Only few candles to hit the profit target in the 5 minutes time frame. Less than an hour, it gave us the 3% gain on Gbpusd. Now, understanding, learning and growing, keeping an open mind is the key to be consistently profitable trader, because this is only the way you can learn and grow as a trader. Because trading is, I know that it's neither hard nor easy. It's all about keeping an open mind and then applying the strategy, thinking that it's gonna work out, doing the proper risk management, and that's the key. Now, what is a strategy? If you are not sure about what is a strategy, then you are missing out the most important part of your trading, guys. If you don't know what is a strategy, then you are gambling, and it is not going to work out for you. So if you don't have a strategy, then straight away I will recommend you to right now learn a strategy a rule-based strategy that will give you a big edge in the market. Otherwise, I would tell you that quit trading, because without a strategy, trading means that you are throwing away money. This is what I did when I began my trading. I just thrown away money, 100k in a night, and then 25k in just a matter of a week. So but I was not willing to invest on myself until I realized that, okay, I'm just wasting all my capital, and I spent a little bit of capital to improve myself. That's where I saw how the professional traders are trading, and then I copied them properly. Okay, this is what I tell you guys. You don't have to reinvent the light bulb, because Thomas Edison took 1000 failed experiment to create the light bulb. Now for those who are creating a light bulb, even doesn't have any school degree, but he doesn't need even one attempt, because everything is ready, right? That's what it is. Smart people do not reinvent, they just copy. So, and then they multiply it for themselves. That's what it is. The strategy can be replicated. So make sure that you learn a strategy, grow as a trader. Past month we have taken quite a few members in Forex Trading Wizard Academy who are learning the strategy with me. This month the spot is almost filled, so I have only kept few spots only for dedicated individual who are really passionate about learning the real trading, guys. If you are not dedicated, no problem, you can rely on the free education. It might take a little bit of time, you may spend or lose some money, but you still can learn it. But if you are really dedicated, then I can give that link on the website, for the website in the live chat. Visit the website and then click join now button right now. Join us, because I have only few spots this month, taking only few number, and the membership will be closed very soon. So make sure you are getting on board before it close down. Until it opens again, you need to wait if you are not joining right now to learn the real trading strategy in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So I have given that link in the live chat. Click that link, visit the website, and then click join now button. Be part of trading community where you will be learning the real trading. You can see that it's a real trade. You see it's a real trade, and many of our VIP members already made a big profit on that, including the gold. We didn't, it's just piece of puzzle that we talk about. There is another one. There is another big one. That is the gold one. We will be discussing on that. First of all, let's see what's happened with GJ. We are still running the second trade. This one is closed. The first trade is still, we are running the risk-free trade. Now let's look at what's happening here on GJ at the moment, where we can find our next trading opportunity. Now if we here look at that one here, Gbpusd, now you can see that this is the 30 minutes price action. The market has broken that low and expecting for the price to see, this is the 15 minutes big breakdown here. Now this breakdown might give price another momentum. Let me see, we have another entry opportunity. 4-hour candle closing in 33 minutes. So GJ, what we can see here, the market from this level has got a rejection here. Let me see that if there is any opportunity for us again. We are already running, you know, that our previous trade, expecting it to give us good return. And in the meantime, let me see if there is any other opportunity. Now this is the 4-hour candle. Okay, so this is today's opening here on GJ is we saw a gap opening, and because there's a gap opening, it left a support here. This is the previous today's support level is here. This is the daily low, and yeah, now there is a one probability is for the price to have a complete another drop to grab massive liquidity and then to bounce back up. The other probability is to straight go back up from here. Let's see how the market is doing, and then we'll be acting based on that. Patience is key, as I mentioned. Traders, make sure that you remain patient to see what actually the market is planning for the next move, and then we can look for that entry opportunity. And now I will be jumping on gold to see what's happening with the gold. Okay, let's look at gold, and then we'll jump back on GJ to see what the market is trying to do here. I think gold might grab a bit more of liquidity here. And in the meantime, let me know if you have any question. Welcome from Telepathy. Welcome. No waiting for the next entry. Gbpusd. You want to sell, but it's a bull market. I wouldn't be a seller at all. It's a highly bullish market, guys. You know, it happens. You know, the mind always think of trading against the trend. That's the retail trading psychology. It happens. It happened to me also. So make sure that you are, you know, always maintaining a very clear awareness, because if you are trading against the trend, then you are going against the flow. So when you go against the flow, basically you are going against the current, which is very important. All right, don't go against the current, don't go against the flow. Going with the flow will always help you to eliminate any kind of error happening along the way. Good morning, still hanging here. Thank you very much. Welcome. Good morning. Thanks, coach. I also entered GJ trade with you since last week. Still holding in profit. Keynotes. Welcome. This is what I need. You know, this is what I really expect from traders to hold a trade for bigger profit, and you know, with a proper risk management. That's the real secret of trading. That's how a trader should be trading. You know, holding a trade, doing the risk management, and then holding it for bigger profit. Good morning, Trinidad, Thailand. Welcome. AUD relevant. Reinvent the wheel. Yeah, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. Absolutely. Good morning. Welcome. One currency, one strategy, one session gold. Teacher. Any. Yeah, there are many ways. 70% off discount close. Kizito. Look, the discount was very short term offer. As I mentioned, the discount is end at the 70%, but you know, I'm rarely can say no more often, because to be honest, I don't do this for business. It's my passion. I love doing it. You know, I make more money than anything else from my own trading. So I don't do this for business. So that is why, you know, I can't say no. But one area that I had to say no always is the number of, you know, members I will be taking. Even if I'm taking for free, I can't take unlimited, because I focus on quality rather than the quantity. Okay, because I have gone through the same that you guys, many of you are going through. You know, many mentors may not send you the trade alert because it needs a huge confidence to send a trade that is in the live market, right? Because it's involved huge confidence. You know, you can see that this is the gold trade. Also today, just today, once the market went, the first attempt from here didn't work out, and I exit with a very little SL. But the next one, you see that I entered again with a tight entry, which has 5 times profit target, guys. 5% profit target I took, and I shared the same trade in the group with entry stop loss. Now, what happened with that trade? Let me bring that up. This is a real trade with the live market that many of you have seen that. Okay, now you see that happened. That is, it hit that massive 4.3% on gold just this morning. See that this is a live trade. You know, I have almost more than 1,000 members in the VIP only signal group, and all of them, you can look to the signal group and look at that. Exactly, that has gone to the TP target. That's why I'm telling you guys, there is the real trading here that you can see. I'm not saying that I'm winning all my trade, but the way I trade is bigger win. Okay, bigger win, and then, you know, going through bigger win, holding it for bigger profit, trading with the trend, trading with proper strategy. Now this is just in one of my account, the same trade that you have seen that I have posted. Okay, this is the gold trade that I have posted in the channel. You can see the date, pricing. Okay, you see the today's date and pricing and everything. It's in a very short, so I don't do it for anything. I do because I'm passionate about, and that is why I can't say no more often. And the discount is over, but for those who are truly passionate, I want to help you in the academy to get in. So I'm making another spot on that coupon. Give me 1 minute so that you can join straight away, but the number will be definitely limited because I can't take unlimited. The time is limited, though I have a clear intention to help you, but I have to do it in the very limited period of time. And so I have given a couple of entries to that coupon, the same coupon with the 70% off. It's ended, but I have entered few numbers straight away. As soon as I will give it to you now, it will be ended if the members taken. So if you not on that, then right now you can take it, and then you can use it on the lifetime access checkout. So this is another $200 coupon which is ended, but I have created few more positions with that 70% off. So use it right now, and I can't extend anymore because the numbers are limited. So few numbers given, you can straight away use it on the website checkout. The website link you can find below this live chat. Once you are on the website, the only thing that you need to do, click join now button, www.forextradingwizard.com. This is the website, and where I don't know, it's taking a lot of time to load in. Okay, so once you are on the website, just click join now button and then use that coupon to get another additional $200 off on the lifetime and get on board. I'll see you there, absolutely, because I am always available for members all the time to help you in their trading journey. So now let's look at on again going back to gold to see we have seen a bit of downside while we are talking about, and let me see where the market is currently on gold. And by the way, this gold trade was 4.5% gain on this single trade. It's a massive winning trade this morning. So we had Gbpusd winner 3%, 4.5% on gold just this morning, and 2% gone with gold. So basically 7.5% plus minus 2%, 5.5% gain only in our day trading. Our AI is crashing, which still I'm not giving any statistics because everyone knows it. So here is the day trading which is running in that situation. So now let's scale up. Okay, now there is a 4-hour candle closed, and let's see, this is the trade that we have opened. Now 4-hour had a bullish engulfer, and I can see the first candle of the sessions early today, a bearish candle and immediate rejection with this bullish candle. Currently the price is testing this previous resistance, turning support here on gold, and let me see where you will be finding another opportunity. This is the neckline. This is the very smart money area order block, because this is where the candle closed and the candle opened today, and this level is quite significant. We might see a retest of this 2330 level, and I think that after penetrating that level we should be able to find another entry opportunity. Let me see where we can find our next entry. I'm expecting for the price to break that low or give any strong liquidity grab for this potential drop on gold, and once we find that drop we will be looking for entry. I believe that, guys, you are enjoying the live session. If you are enjoying the live session, I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up, if you smash it, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every single day. Let me know if you have any question. I'm here to answer on the live, in this YouTube live, to help you to grow as a trader. Awesome, thank you. And yeah, please give a like, will be helpful. I see that view is above 100, but the likes is nearly 40, so it's less than half. So probably still, yeah, I see that it's going up. Can you make it to 100? Awesome, thank you for the support. And definitely I'm here to create the best content all the time to give you all the way possible to see the market completely in a different perspective. So USDCHF flying, AUDCHF, I'll be looking at that. I also hold GJ. Samir, yes, that's the attitude and psychology really you need to develop. I want to know how many of you still holding the GJ with me. Justin, gold call coach, working with, yeah, since day one. Yes, absolutely, Justin, welcome for that. By yourself, yeah, awesome. That was a massive call, and also GJ crashing at the moment. So let's see what is our next opportunity on this instrument. Now Let me see that. Yeah. Okay. Blessing to you, sir. Welcome, Franklin. Yeah, welcome. Still holding GJ since last week. Keynotes, yes, hold it. Uh, I would recommend you to, you should manage your trade the way you love it. But I shouldn't recommend, anyway. Um, it's the language, but I only can share my experience in this live session. So basically, I have moved my stop loss at entry on that big trade that we are running from last week. So basically, my GJ is risk free. That's why I have opened another trade early today with a short period of time. We have taken almost 3% on that because I was running the previous trade risk free. So if you are not sure how to do the risk free, you can move the stop loss at entry with 1 or 2 pip extra so that you can cover any spread or commissions, and that trade is risk free. That's called a break even trade. So let me know if you still not sure what I'm talking about. I can elaborate it here more in depth so that you understand it. Okay, now gold is dropping down here. All right, so here it's, if it breaks this low in between this is the 2 days. If I look at the daily, you can see the market is dropping to the daily support, and today's opening is here. See, once the market will break that low again, that might give us another entry opportunity, because it is basically a bull market, and breaking that support might give another entry opportunity. So any break the below, we'll look to see on the lower time frame how the price action is forming. It might now try to come back here because there is a liquidity, and as you know that the price moves from liquidity to liquidity. So any liquidity grab in that area, I will be waiting for that entry opportunity. Okay, so looking at in this, and you can see there is also a weekless candle here. Okay, so which is basically, you might say, gap opening on MT4, but this zone is where the red area that we can look for any kind of entry opportunity on gold. Okay, so it might range here, or it might give another entry opportunity. Okay, so let me bring that, I like green rather than the red. This red is very risky. Okay, so here is resistance, which is this is a very this red candle in this whole move is the liquidity zone, and the price, once the price will break that liquidity zone, is where we could see the market might be again heading to the upside here on gold, because this is the zone where all the people has put their stop loss, or may have just moved the trade to break even here. So this is where the volume in the market, and if the market break that low, will trigger that massive liquidity that will pull the price again towards the upside. Okay, now in addition to that, I would like to see how GJ is playing a role here. We've seen a break on GJ. GBP/JPY coming down below this level. There is a massive a volume again. So if the price is breaking that low, this is the 4-hour candle, we might find further entry on GJ. Let me see here. Okay, so this is the 5 minutes, and okay, you see this is a 1-hour bullish engulfer. That is also a very strong liquidity candle. Now the chances for GJ at the moment to go up is high, but at the same time, one thing that we need to understand is that if the market breaks below that level, that will be huge for us to see that the market is breaking that high. Because if the market breaking this low, then it's gonna be overextended towards the downside here. So this is what we can see. So here already the market started to create a pattern. For me, if GJ breaking to 191.60 level, okay, coming to that zone, yeah, we'll be looking for entry. Even it is possible for the price to remain bullish from here, but the candle is not closed here on the 30 minutes and 15 minutes. The price is still showing a bit of weaker, so there is an imbalance here, and it will be a risky buy here, but we might see that the market might be moving up, retesting. So this is the 4-hour in 8 minutes time, this 4-hour candle closing. So this might be closing as a doji. Now before closing, let's say if this one is closing here as a doji, then the next one, if it is breaking low, that's gonna be huge here to go for potential bullish setup. Okay, we'll be waiting to see for the price to break below this level and then to bounce back to the upside. Okay, let's look at the gold to see. Now JJ and gold almost similar kind of price action it is creating. So gold, what I think that we might see a break of this 223031 level, and then we might see that rejection towards the upside on gold. Alright guys, I hope that you are enjoying this live session. I would appreciate if you give a smash, you smash it and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Send my teacher, I stuck a short entry on 2310. Any worry? So you stuck on 2310 shorts, which is almost way above. Okay, you are short on this such a strongly bull market. That's it depends on how much drawdown you are at, but I wouldn't be very happy with the selling from such a strongly bull market. It depends on what strategy you applied, but yeah, it depends on. But I wouldn't bother to keep such a now you might be able to, if you have enough fund, you might be able to hedge or add position to the upside to balance some of them. Depends on how you want to manage, but yeah, or how much lot you have bought, what kind of account, is it a live account or a demo account? It depends on. I've been following you live session. I'm starting a small account, best practice and holding good trades. I've been following a live session. I'm starting a small account. Very good, very good. Well, that's what that's what I recommend always. Okay, always use a smaller account, okay, and then hold it for bigger profit target, and then hold it for bigger profit target. Let the market give you the best trade possible in the market, and learn the risk management is the key, guys. Keep in mind that risk management is the key. So if you are not doing the risk management, then it's gonna be hard for you to remain profitable over the long term. So do the risk management, hold the trade for bigger profit. That's how you can become profitable as a trader. Can you explain how to enter trade? I'm new here. Gbpusd, can you explain how to enter trades? I'm new here. Okay, well, so to enter a trade, so if you're a complete beginner, then I would say that trade on a demo account to learn it, because every mistake will cost you. Okay, so the more practice you will do, the better, right? So that's what I would recommend. And secondly, to enter a trade, this is the easiest thing you can do ever. Just press buy or sell and then put a stop loss. Do the risk management. If you are a beginner trader, then in the beginning, the biggest struggle that every beginner face is to find the right information, right? Should you trade based on indicator? Should you buy from an indicator? Should you sell from indicator? So the best advice that I would say, if you are a beginner, is start a demo account, okay, and then watch all the free content on the YouTube channel, especially in the beginning. Okay, in my channel also there's a lot of free videos, and where watch the video on trading psychology, watch the videos on how to place the buy limit, sell limit, how to do the risk management. And once you think that you are ready enough to go with, you can slowly open a smaller account. Don't open more than $100 account if you are a beginner. And then join a community. If you think that you are alone, don't have enough friends, or don't have proper guidance, you can join a community. You can join our community, or if you think that any other community that makes you much more intriguing, you can go for that, no problem. Just make sure that you go to the right place, and then trade with proper risk management. Use always a risk manager tool. Okay, it's the key. You must have a risk manager tool. We have a risk manager tool also, you can find on your student dashboard. Okay, so simplest way, if I tell you how to open a trade, for example, you think that gold or let's say euro dollar will be sold from here. So you need to, the first step, you need to find out if you're gonna go short, where will be your stop loss, and then where will be take profit target. If you are entering by the market, how many pip stop loss you are putting. Okay, before you think of how much money you will be making, you first need to think of how much you will be losing if the trade not going in your favor. Fixed lot, if you are day trading, then fixed lot will not work. Okay, for automated trading, some instrument use fixed lot, that's fine because it's a different strategy. But if you are swing trading or day trading, then fixed lot will not work for you. You need to find out the proper lot sizing. For example, how much lot you should be selling to keep your risk fixed, let's say $50 or $60 based on your account size. Should you sell 0.1 lot, 1 lot, or 0.01 lot, or maybe 10 lot? So that's what you need to figure out, and that is easy with a risk manager tool if you have in your MT4 or anywhere. And then once you have all of this, then learn the strategy. That's where you go to that intermediate level, that I would say. Even in the beginning you don't need anything, but when you are at intermediate, where you are thinking to make money after you learn, that's where you have to be a bit of what I'd say the competitive in terms of strategy and in terms of understanding when to trade, where to trade. So the foundation also, for those who are in the community with us, you have a 2 layer of courses. I think if you missed, many of you have joined this week, past week. If you missed, then check out in your dashboard, you will find 2 layer of courses. One is the foundation, one is the advanced. So if you are a complete beginner, then must go through the foundation first, where you can find everything A to Z, how to get started. Once you clearly understand the foundation A to Z, everything, okay, including what is PEEP, how to calculate PEEP, how to understand the leverage, how to use trading view, chart setting, everything. Few videos will give you a clear idea. Once you finish the foundation step by step, then go to the advanced course, learn the strategy. That's how you can make a consistent gain in your trading. Thank you for joining the live session. Absolutely appreciate your support to the channel. And let's see now here, euro dollar also having a little bit of downside. Gold is I think that slowly we might see that gold is breaking that support level. Let's see. With GJ, I made 500 risking $100, so I'm done with GJ. Welcome. I'm not done with GJ yet. Okay, I will be joining mentorship next month with you. What's the fee, please? Okay, welcome. Yeah, you did a good job. So you risk $100, you gain $500. Absolutely, this is the best strategy that I use, because I normally try to keep 5 times at least, but sometimes 3 times is fine. We'll be joining next month. You're welcome anytime, no problem. Today, next month, but it will depend on the availability and everything. But today, with on request, I have a huge discount giveaway only for few members. I have added few positions more with a few requests came early today. So let me share with you that coupon, but this coupon will not be valid. Maybe tomorrow, may not be valid. because only few numbers given on that to join in the academy. I have given you, you can use it on the website. Check out also the website address. And you said that I'm done with GJ. I'm not done with GJ. I keep adding position when the market is trending. All right, that is also a very important point, guys. What you need to do is risk small. See, when the market trends, you can find same instrument a lot of trading opportunity. That's where the secret, guys. Keep in mind. See, all instrument will not trend all time. You might see that, let's say NFP release, only last week with the NFP, two instrument was trading nicely, trending nicely, gold and GJ, and we have traded both of them. Today also gold and GJ was trending nicely. Some other instrument also trending, but the nice trend, that means that you can predict the market. And when, let's say, gold is trending, trade gold, forget about everything. When GJ is trending, trade GJ, forget about everything. When dollar yen is trending, trade dollar yen, forget about the add position on the winning. That's where the secret. Let's say when you understand that, okay, gold has a breakout, the market is gathering liquidity. Whenever you see a liquidity candle in the direction of the trend, the way I taught you yesterday in the Zoom class, go through that. I will be posting a recorded session. When you find those candles, add position with a minimum risk. Okay, with a minimum risk, add position, let it run. Okay, let it run, and when it is going in profit, let it go and wait for another position with a minimum risk. Add another position in the direction of the major trend and keep trading. In one session, if you trade 4 or 5 position in one instrument in the direction of the trend with a very smaller risk, you are not risking big, but you are taking big profit, right? That's what it is. And maybe you can even at the same time trail that position. For example, let's say you open GJ here. Okay, from here bigger profit target has gone here, from another liquidity candle. Okay, move that stop loss here, open another position with the same risk, let it run. So one position you secured and then add another position, but you need to control your greed. That's the main job here. Okay, that's where the maximum trader fail to do so, and I'm sure that you will be able to do that. Coach, I want to the website and the USD490 lifetime access. Kindly guide. Prompt chat is not responding. Kizito, okay, so let me guide you. Once you are on the website, then use that coupon on the website access checkout. Let me show you on a screenshot so that I can guide you. So once you click join now button on the website, you see that coupon code. Place that coupon code here and then click apply coupon, and then once you click put that coupon code here and then apply coupon, it will show you here that huge 70% discount here, and then just proceed to checkout and you will be fine. Okay, any question? Also live chat should be responding very soon. Thanks, let me know. I'm here, no problem. I will guide you if you have any question. Is it welcome? Use the coupon above. Welcome. Dollar yen gonna drop hard. It will move all yen pairs today. Russ, you think that dollar yen drop hard? Why do you think dollar yen drop hard? What's your opinion? Okay, we see GJ is coming down here. There's a 4-hour close. Let me see. And yeah, after the 4-hour close, the market coming down here. Let me see if there is any entry on GJ. Wanna see that it has broken this liquidity zone, and then we can look for another entry. Dollar yen is in a very strong uptrend. So why do you think that dollar yen will drop hard? What's your reason for that? Or it's a confirmation bias? As you also need to understand that it's a big trap of the trading psychology. This happened to me also many times. It still these days happen. Let's say I'm sell on dollar yen, for example, though I am not in any sell on dollar yen at the moment. But if I am sell on dollar yen and I'm in a drawdown, then all my logic will act in the way the dollar yen will drop. That's called the confirmation bias. So confirmation bias is like, it's an emotional component, because I don't want to have a losing trade, right? No one wants to have a losing trade. So because the market is going against me, the mind started to trick us, saying that, okay, the trade will drop, so hold it. It's basically, it's called the confirmation bias, okay? So anyone will tell anywhere that dollar yen will go up, and you want to hold on to it, hold on to that idea that, okay, the dollar yen will go up because XYZ tell that somewhere else. So make sure that you be aware of that confirmation bias, because the market will not listen to anyone. The market will listen to itself. So the best strategy, always let the market do its job. We need to adapt with the market, right? So that is the best way to approach the market. Okay, let the market do its job. We adapt with the market rather than forcing the market to adapt with us or with our opinion, because it's easy, isn't it? The control is in our hand, how we will be reacting to the market and how we will be investigating the market, because the market will move by itself without any influence, right? Because it's a collective thinking, what I would say, that collective belief that we can't change or control. But what we can do is to identify and find the pattern and then follow that, okay? Because it has a predictable pattern in the market. What is pattern? Pattern is everything, right? You can see that nature has a pattern. If you look at the galaxy, you see the pattern, right? So this is the pattern of the galaxy, right? That's the infinite nature. So that's also the pattern of the infinity. So if you keep going down, you'll keep zooming in, and there is no going anywhere, right? So the pattern is everything. Everywhere there is a pattern. In our thinking also there is a pattern. According to science, a man or woman repeats 90% of the thinking almost every day. So what you thought yesterday, 90% you will be thinking today. So, and that's why many people are stuck in a certain loop. It's kind of loop, okay? Feedback loop. The only way you can break that pattern is by being aware of that, okay? And then take a conscious decision to break that pattern. So the market also like that. There is a repetitive pattern that we can follow. Always keeping a backup plan in the back of the mind that the pattern might not work, so I am always prepared for it, doing the proper risk management. But when I am right, I am going to take the big one, all right? For example, like this one. You see that gold trade, that first trade that I opened today on gold, it didn't work out. But the second one that I opened, have taken this 4.5 times profit target on this trade. Okay, so this is the gold trade, and massively has gone up, because when it has gone that much. It's almost more than 1.5%, but I hold it. And I also advise the VIP community to hold it, because I know that some members might, think of, okay, should we close the profit now? Because I get this kind of feedback more often in the community, so I know that what everyone is thinking or maybe expecting. So that's why I always try to stay ahead to explain what can be done. So I posted on the VIP channel, hold both GJ and gold until further update, and both of them hit that profit target. So with that said, this is what I was telling, that dollar yen currently in an uptrend, so it might come back down further, or it might keep pushing high. But as a rule of thumb, what is going up is likely to go up. That's the law of trading, right? When you drop something, it should be dropping, right, as a law of gravity. But if it bounced, probably it was a tennis ball. That's why. So that's how you need to think of. Now, let's see on a dollar yen here. We can see that there is a bounce in that zone, and so if dollar yen, if I look at, if you see that this is a move every time the market gathering liquidity and bouncing off that level, but expecting for the market to give us a pullback. You see, this is a high liquidity zone. There's a weakless candle here on the 1 hour, expecting for the price to come down to grab the liquidity and then to bounce back to the upside. And any pullback, I will be looking to buy rather than sell, because it's an uptrending market. Okay guys, so hope that you are enjoying the live session. Thanks for enjoying the live session, and let me know if you have any question. Forex trading in account opening from this website. Forex trading in account opening from this. Coach, your dollar carry weekly Forex just went through. Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for that. Yeah, so Forex trading account, what do you mean by Forex trading account opening? I didn't understand it, but if you want to join, if you are talking about open an account with a broker, I'm not a broker, but I also trade with a broker, and I recommend broker also. So you can, because the broker that I trade, I also recommend. I trade in few brokers also. One of them is this. I have given you that link in the live chat. So if you wanting to join a broker that you can rely on, you can click that link and then join that broker, so that you can start trading with a regulated broker. And also because I'm trading with the same broker, I'm recommending it. You can use that if you're talking about that. Or if you want to learn our strategy, you can find link in the description for our website. Morning coach, gold buy or sell please? At the moment, gold is bullish, so waiting for setup. It's a bit in a sideway. So when the market in a sideway, we just need to be a little bit of patient on that. Thanks for joining the live session. Sir, are this gold 2327 to 23,000 buy zone of Fibonacci? Samir, gold, look, for gold at the moment, the buy zone that I see is above 2330, because this is the liquidity zone. There is a huge rejection here. For me, it is less likely that gold will be able to break, because it's a very strong structure. If you look at the 1 hour chart, you can see it's a big bullish move. It is a pullback. So if the market now breaks 2331, okay, this support, and come back below, the buyers will jump on it. Highly likely. Okay, now if it managed to break further below, then it's a different story. So then how I will be trading? Well, when the market will break that below, I will not be buying blindly. I need to see price action confirmation, like the one we did on GJ and gold this morning. So like that, we need to see the market has given us that entry price action. But I think that if the market breaks this low, then I will be keeping it in my hot list for entry to the upside. Noted coach. I have loaded my chart. There is a PayPal and credit cards I need to use. No problem. Debit card. Yeah, absolutely. Any card that is okay for you to use. Everything is safe and 100% secure. So anything you wish to go with, welcome, no problem. Once you join, make sure that you check your email, including the junk mail, for all the links and all the things that you can find. I think that your your one order has been failed due to probably your limitation on anything. So if that's the case, you can email us to see any alternative option. I think Euro-USD Gbpusd will sell today. Yeah, I think Euro-USD Gbpusd will sell today, then buy tomorrow. You think that sell today, buy tomorrow? Why? Keep eye on New York session for GBP. Yeah. Okay, we will be looking at that as well. Thanks for this that information. Okay, direction for reaching. Hello, welcome to this live session. Now here we can see that the market forming long wick candle. After this drop, it's now consolidating here. So consolidation is a sign of momentum gain. And in our previous session also I talked about the consolidation. Now, why does the consolidation happen? And the market trend very little time, and majority of the time the market consolidate. Can anyone tell me? Let me see how far you guys are curious about what is the reason behind consolidation and trend. Like, why the market don't trend all the time? Because no matter how good you as a trader, if you are not trading in a time of good trend, you're not gonna make money over the long term. Because no strategy. Look, I tried hundreds of strategies, and most of my strategy are automated. So I don't need to look at the chart all the time to see my strategy is fulfilled. I have the automated system of my strategy. Every rules is programmed, so I keep it running all day long, and I keep it running at certain period of time. And when I saw that none of my strategy works 24 hours, guys, this is the information that you can try. If anyone can prove me that your strategy work 24 hours of the time, contact me. I want to talk to you. Okay, no strategy work all time. So it's very important when you are trading. I had to do a lot of research why this happened, because it's a back-tested strategy but doesn't work all time. Now why this happened is because the market, you see this, in this area no strategy will work. You see, so you need to identify those zones and stay away from it. Now how do you know that when not to trade? See, this is the most important part. In this area, in this zone, simple strategy will work. simple. Okay, in this zone simple strategy will work, but here no strategy will work, no matter how good the strategy is. In this area very simple strategy will work. If you look at our TF strategy, you see, if you buy here, hold it, massive profit. Okay, but if you go, you see, if you buy here, massive profit, buy here, massive profit. This 1 2 3 4 trade will give you all that you need, but you need to apply it in the right time, in the right zone. But if you apply here, if you look here, okay, here no strategy will work, here no strategy will work. Why does this happen? Curiosity is the key, guys. Keep in mind that intellectual curiosity, like, you know, the traders, according to research, those who are good at trading, who has a high level of intellectual curiosity. So you need to be curious so that you know exactly when to trade and when not. So I want to see that what's your view on that. What is your take on Euro USD? Okay, I will be looking at that. Good morning, coach. It's a great day. Yeah, welcome. Now let's complete the checkout. I have a debit card. Look, debit card, credit card, but it has to be allowed to do the online shopping. So probably you need to check out properly. Consolidation can lead to greater market efficiency, liquidity, and stability. It may also raise concerns related to the market concentration, systematic risk, and barrier to entry for smaller participants. Justin, during consolidation, the market is basically in an indecisive algorithm in search of accumulation order before expanding what we wait. Yes, this is some kind of explanation. It's a good one. It's a good explanation. So if I simplify it, okay, let's say if I simplify that from a very raw perspective. Raw means, like, for example, if you say something in a very textbook way, yeah, this is a very nice way to explain something. And also you can a bit paraphrase it or restructure it so that everyone understand. Is consolidation is basically gathering liquidity for a bigger move. Why? Because anyone trading on the consolidation, they are losing money. So when that losing money is going to push the price or drop that price in the direction that the big boys are opening position. So anyone trading on in those consolidation losing money. So by knowing that, also you know when not to trade. And when you are losing money, this liquidity is basically fueling that price to move up. For example, let's say a lot of sellers lose money here, or a lot of buyers lose money here. Okay, so you bought, you lost money, you bought, you lose money. So what happened? That you basically fuel that market to move up, right? So you are fueling that market to move up, and that is the main reason why the market consolidates. And then how should you interpret a consolidation, and how should you trade in a consolidation? Well, the first thing, you need to make sure that you are not trading in a consolidation. You can trade on a consolidation when it is a bigger range, okay, not in the 1 2 3 candle range. And the best way is to trade after a breakout from that consolidation. This is the very important. Now, how do you predict that breakout with the consolidation? Well, that's the real thing that you need to understand, that when to predict the breakout from that consolidation. Okay, this is what you will be learning with the liquidity and understanding the price action, and to find out when to predict the breakout of a consolidation. Just one thing you need to understand is that basically a market when consolidate like that, okay, predict that market to break out in the major direction of the trend. So if you are not sure either it's gonna break out this way or that way, predict it to break out again in the major direction of the trend. If the trend from here, then predict it to be this way. That's the main goal. For example, gold, now you see that this is the 5 minutes breaking, consolidating in that way. In very little situation, even no situation, I will be selling this market, because I will be predicting this market to break to the upside, even though here I might see a little bit of like that. So that basically I will be waiting for the price to come down in a zone where it's gonna prepare for a breakout. So that's how you will be knowing and learning. I hope that you are understanding, guys. Thanks for your appreciation and joining this. Okay, Kizito, I see that you have joined successfully. Thanks for joining the live session, and I appreciate your support. Make sure you check your email for all the links of our Forex Trading Wizard Academy. All the links should be in your email right now, or maybe in a couple of minutes. And once you see all the email, make sure you join all the relevant channels and everything. Any question, if you see that the links you haven't received, then you can join, you can ask using the live chat or email. So now let's see what is here. You can see this is in a 1 candle range, along with GJ again has got a bounce from this level. Okay, so GJ is from this level, it's got a bounce after this doji, but I think that we might see the price might try to break that low on Gbpusd. Below this doji is where the high liquidity is on GJ. Okay, this is what we will be waiting here on Gbpusd. So if we look at, and let me see where we can see so GJ, you can see after multiple manipulation, the price finally has been able to break towards the upside again. And let's see if there is any good entry opportunity here on GJ. Okay, here it's coming down for a deeper pullback. We will be looking at to see on gold. Okay, so it's now, you can see it's consolidating here on gold, and with that consolidation back to two dojis, still I wouldn't be very happy to go long until we see this 2330 level is broken. And let's also quickly look at the news calendar to see what's happening with the upcoming news time. When the news is coming later in the next one after the NFP, we can see that there is a bit of gap here. So today is Monday. We can see there is no news today, 9th of April. Tomorrow also there isn't, and Wednesday big day coming, CPI. So 3 important CPI here, and then 11:45 on CAD. So dollar CAD will be very important pair. Also the same day CAD, 4 important news, along with FOMC on the same Wednesday in, so this is showing as Thursday in my zone because it's in the early morning. So basically FOMC Thursday is very important. So Wednesday is absolutely important on this. Now looking at on dollar CAD a little bit to see what the market might be doing on dollar CAD. Let me see that dollar CAD. And if we look at dollar CAD, let me see guys, are you here everyone? Hope that everyone can hear me and can see me properly. I know that the stream a little bit of offering with lagging a little bit, but should be fine because there is a little bit of outage. So can you have a look at GBP and dollar CAD? Yeah, we will be looking at dollar CAD just in consolidation. Also means the market is also positioned in between a high and low. Yes. So that's basically the market trading in between that high and low range. Okay, so do you offer any free courses, Salim? There is a free free ebook and also A to Z trading course available free. You can visit the website and then you can join using your email address. So if you guys want some free courses, also I had a lot in, I have archived them because we have the complete foundation trading course in the mentorship program. But if you guys are wanting for the free courses, also I will integrate on the website. Just in either wait or trade using supply and demand, because consolidation in the market balance. Okay, thank you, welcome. Justin, we already looked by this institutional level. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, okay, awesome, thank you. So let me look at now on dollar CAD, looking at the monthly chart. And also guys, there's a free trading plan. Big part of game of trading is about trading plan. Okay, so if you don't have a trading plan, then there is a free trading plan available below this video in the description. You can go to the description and then download the trading plan. It's a demo trading plan. You can rewrite it for yourself so that you can understand and know how to do the risk management and everything. So I would recommend you to download that trading plan right now, going below this video in the description, and then download that trading plan and then use it to rewrite it for yourself. Make sure you keep all the component in it. Okay, objective, which is very important as a trader, to have an objective why you are trading, and also risk management component is key. So you can find it below this video in the description. Visit the description area and then download it for free to start writing for yourself one. It will take a little bit of time to rewrite it, but everyone's objective is different, so I would recommend you to write that objective so that you have the emotional charge behind what you are doing. So a dollar CAD monthly, we can see that monthly, this is a here series of higher low, which is bullish, but at the same time the market is approaching a resistance zone. If we look at the weekly chart, where we can see that there is a weekly candle here, and the market has grabbed liquidity here on dollar CAD, and what I think that we might see initially downside on dollar CAD. We have seen after initial pullback, initial rejection. So if we look at the daily chart, here is the daily candle. There is a long wick candle, though there is a long wick at the top, and it is bull market, but at the same time we see that this market has broken this with this long wick candle, this liquidity zone. So what I think that there could be initial downside here probability, because it's a huge it's almost more than 280 candle, hit that liquidity zone, might see some selling pressure here. And from the intraday, here is what we can see, that the market, you can see slowly consolidating here, expecting dollar CAD to break below this level, and then we might see later rejection potentially to the upside. So from the lower time frame, it's a bit in a consolidation like all the instrument, but once dollar CAD will start to break, that's where we can look for potentially selling opportunity on dollar CAD. So let's see how the market is evolving. Based on that, we will be trading. I think that we might see, you can see there's a bit of consolidation, and we might see the market slowly breaking down from that consolidation, and that break initially could bring the price below this level here. And you can see big bounce, the market is not being able to break the high, so it needs liquidity from this support before bouncing off that level. I believe that, guys, you are enjoying this live session. I would appreciate your support if you are enjoying by giving a thumbs up, smash the like button, and if you take it to 100 like, will be much appreciated. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every single day. All right, so let's see that here on gold. Yeah, it's in a one candle range on gold, and there will be, yeah, it's in a one candle range. You see, whenever it's going up getting rejected, means that we might see slowly breaking this low 2330 level, and after break from that low, that's where we could find another entry for an upside bias here on gold. And this is also the daily level, so breaking below the daily level is where I will be interested to go long again on gold. As you have seen that we had a massive trade on gold. This is the massive trade on gold. Early today we gained 4.5% on this single trade, along with one on Gbpusd that has given 3%. And that's how trading is. You need to trade with proper risk management, trade it from the important level, and then hold it for bigger profit target. Now this is exactly the same trade that is, you can see, I have sent out to the VIP community. This is on the 5-minute chart on gold, and after that, just in a couple of minutes, the market has bounced breakout and has given us that profit that we need. So if you are still not on the community, you can find that coupon on the live chat where you can join us to be part of, as I have extended few spots on the mentorship program today. We have only few spots left on the discounted, which is the 70% discount, and the coupon has given, it is going to be ending, so as it's a limited time offer, so you can join us where you have everything access to automated system, including trading tools, and also including the strategies, education, also the live trade that I'm opening also I'm sharing in the VIP Telegram channel. You can access all of them, including the TF indicator that I'm using every day to trade the market. So this is the TF indicator that I'm using currently in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, and also you can have access to that as a VIP member. Thank you. And you know that I will be coming on live again, guys, in just a matter of 2.5 hours in my zone. So we'll be looking at the market again after volume comes in. I will take a short break here. Before I go, make sure, guys, you stay tuned and keep all the profit in your trading account. Don't over trade, don't FOMO trade, so that you are not over trading and you are keeping everything in your trading account. So with that being said, thanks for joining this live session, and I'll see you again very soon within very short couple of hours. And in the meantime, also if you want to join the broker that I am trading, you can find a link in the description, and also I can share with you the link in the live chat. You can click that link and then you can register and start trading with a reliable broker. Thanks for that. Okoro said during consolidation there is usually tug of war between profit takes and FOMC retailers who are entering the market to keep the trend going. Yeah. So basically the retailers are being losing money in when there is a consolidation. So it's very important that you avoid trading the consolidation, especially the 1 or 2 candle range. So we'll be discussing more on that in the next live, so don't miss out. And okay, welcome. I'll see you again.